How to unblock a player in Bloodstrike game. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you've previously blocked someone in Bloodstrike and want to bring them back, you can easily unblock them. First of all, launch open the Bloodstrike game on your device, and once you're inside the lobby screen of Bloodstrike, go ahead and look for the chat bubble icon at the bottom left, this one over here, and it'll take you to this chat page. Go to the bottom left and click on this human icon with a small block in it, and you'll be able to see the people or friends that you've added to your block list. To remove them from the block list, tap the minus icon right next to their name. Repeat this step for every other person you want to unblock from the block list, and there you have it. That's how you have successfully unblocked the contact. Now, the contacts can message you again, and you can see their invites. You can also add them back as friend whenever you want. And that's it. That's how you successfully unblock a player in Bloodstrike. Now you're back in control of your social settings and can manage your in-game connections easily. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.